Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing the question and answers on Splunk SOAR Certified Automation Developer SPLK 2003. You can download the complete list of question and answer from the link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is: after a successful post to a phantom REST endpoint to create a new object, what result is returned? Option A: the new object ID. Option B: the new object name. Option C: the full CEF name. And option D: the Postgres UUID. The correct answer is option D. Next question is: after a playbook has run, where are the results stored? Option A: Splunk index. Option B: case. Option C: container. And option D: log file. The correct answer is option D. Next question is: 70 can be set during ingestion and later changed manually. What other mechanisms can change the severity or a container? Option A: nodes. Option B: actions. Option C: service level agreement expiration. And option D: playbooks. The correct answer is option B. Next question is: in addition to full backups, Phantom supports what other backup type using backup? Option A: snapshot. Option B: incremental. Option C: partial. And option D: differential. The correct answer is option D. Next question is: how does a user determine which app actions are available? Option A: add an action block to a playbook canvas area. Option B: search the apps category in the global search field. Option C: from the apps menu, click the supported action drop down for each app. And option D: in the visual playbook editor, click active and click the available app actions drop down. The correct answer is option B. Next question is: a user wants to use their Splunk Cloud instance as the external Splunk instance for Phantom. What ports need to be opened on the Splunk Cloud instance to facilitate this? Option A: TCP 8088 and TCP 8099. Option B: TCP 80 and TCP 443. Option C: Splunk Cloud is not supported. And option D: TCP 8080 and TCP 8191. The correct answer is option D. Next question is: Which app allows a user to run Splunk queries from within Phantom? Option A, Splunk app for Phantom. Option B, the integrated Splunk Phantom app. Option C, the Phantom app for Splunk. And option D, Splunk app for Phantom reporting. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, which Phantom VPE knock S used to add information to custom lists? Option A, action blocks. Option B, filter blocks. Option C, API blocks. And option D, decision blocks. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, how is it possible to evaluate user prompt results? Option A, set action result summary status to required. Option B, set the user prompt to re-invoke if it times out. Option C, set action result summary response to required. And option D, add a decision mode. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, when is using decision blocks most useful? Option A, when selecting one or zero possible paths in the playbook. Option B, when processing complex data in parallel. Option C, when evaluating complex multi-value results or artifacts. And option D, when modifying downstream data one or more paths in the playbooks. Next question is, which of the following accurately describes the Files tab on the Investigate page? Option A user can upload the output from a detonate action to the File tab for further investigation. Option B, File tab items and artifacts are the only data sources that can populate active cases. Option C, File tab items cannot be added to the investigations, instead add them to action blocks. And option D, Phantom memory requirements is static regardless of Files tab usage. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, which Phantom API command is used to create a custom list? Option A, Phantom add list. Option B, Phantom create list. Option C, Phantom include list. And option D, Phantom new list. The correct answer is option A. That's all for this content. Thank you.